Welcome to the demo for Campus EduTrack. We're here to show you a smarter, simpler way to handle student records. Our goal is to replace manual paperwork with a fast, accurate, and fully digital system, making life easier for educators. Let's be honest, managing student data can be a real challenge. For years, we relied on paper-based information sheets, which are slow to fill out, prone to errors, and a headache to update. As your student body grows, so does the mountain of paperwork, from academic results to extracurriculars. This manual process doesn't just waste time and resources. It slows down important decisions and makes finding information feel like a scavenger hunt. It's clear that we need a better, more reliable, and eco-friendly solution. And that's where Campus EduTrack comes in. We've developed an automated system that tackles these challenges head-on. Using the power of Python, it transforms old-school paper forms into clean, digital Excel files without any manual data entry. Through a simple, user-friendly interface, you can upload your student database, process all their details, and generate perfectly organized files in just a few minutes. Campus EduTrack gives you accuracy you can trust, frees up your valuable time, and helps your institution go green. So, how do we build it? At the core, Campus EduTrack is powered by Python, which handles all the automation and logic. We use a special library called xlwings to create a seamless link between our code and Microsoft Excel, where the student data is neatly stored. For the interface, we chose Tkinter. This allows us to create a simple and intuitive graphical screen, meaning you don't need to be a tech expert to use our system with confidence. Getting started is incredibly straightforward. You begin with just two things: your main student database in Excel and your blank information sheet template. You simply choose where you want to save the new files, upload your database, and tell the system which students you want to process by selecting the row numbers. Once you click Process, the system gets to work. You can even watch its progress in real time as a status box shows you the roll number of each student's file being created. When the job is done, you'll get a simple alert letting you know that all the records are complete and ready to use. Finally, the result: a new, dedicated Excel file is instantly generated and saved to your folder. Inside, every piece of information is automatically arranged and formatted, creating a clean and perfectly organized record. The results speak for themselves. Campus EduTrack cuts processing time by 95%, turning weeks of work into just minutes. It reduces data entry errors by 90% and enables 100% paperless operations. This saves faculty up to 20 hours per semester and slashes the overall administrative workload by 70%. It's a clear, measurable improvement in efficiency and productivity. Thank you for your time and interest in Campus EduTrack. We appreciate you watching and look forward to your feedback and suggestions.